all. So today we are going to learn the Python lists, and we have already started learning actually. But the thing is, there are many features actually which we must come to know and we must try when we are going to execute the list. Okay, so let's begin on the Python prompt, and later in the later sessions or in the later tutorials we will make use of the list onto or by using the while and the for loop. So let's start. So list may contain arbitrary objects. So obviously I'm going to take it feature by feature. So I'm going to write it down that to over here. It would be easier for you to also understand and write it down or maybe memorize it later. uh, Arbitrary or at random objects. Okay, so when I say here a equal to say I obviously I you all must be remembering that we have to give it in the square brackets. Okay, so I can write it down here a, okay, or I can write down here print a. So both the ways are similar and they do give you the same output. But if I say a equal to say 12.22 comma, obviously it has to be delimited by comma, please keep it in mind. Okay, so then 3, then maybe false. I suppose you know the word false, we have tried that at the time of if condition at the very beginning. You just see that tutorial if you have forgotten. And I suppose if I write here this ABC, so you can see here there is one integer value or pure number, one is the float value, other is a boolean operator, and last is the string. Okay, so we can see here it allows you to create that. Fine, so that is the idea behind it. Then list can contain obviously I'll have to give it with the comment complex object. Okay, so here I may have to give, okay, I'll have to give here something like this. Okay, it would be the integer data type, length is a function. Okay, ABC is the string and complex is the data type. So if I give here B, it would allow me to show the output as class int because it is data type, length is the built-in function, ABC is the string, and class complex. Okay, so it allows you to do that too. You can see here the list have may have different objects, but in the same manner there can be the same objects. So you can see here that when you try this dog, bark, cat, new, they're all strings. It allows you to do that, and it is A. Okay, so by A we can print it. In the same manner, lists that have the same elements in different order. So if I say here a equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 sorry 5 comma 3, okay, and if I write b equal to 3 comma 4 sorry 3 comma 2 comma, I want to write down the same elements, and 5, okay, but different order. And if I give here a equal to b, it would give me false. The meaning is they are similar but they are not in the same sequence, so it is giving me false over here. But if I type it down a not equal to b, it would be giving me true. In the same manner I can give it as 1, then 2, then 4. Okay, I am giving just at random elements, so don't think about why I'm not giving in sequence or something. Then again I would give 2. I would give similar elements, same elements rather, but in different order. Okay, deliberately I am trying this just to show you, and because they are strings at this moment. Okay, and if I give here a equal to b, it would give me false, but a not equal to b, it would give me true. Okay, so whether they are numbers or whether they are strings, it is, if they are not in the same order, it would give me an false if they are not similar in the same sequence, otherwise it would give me. Finally, list can be indexed by an index. Okay, so how to do that? You can see here the elements have been given in this manner. Fine, and please keep it in mind here it's something like this. It would be if I give it like this, it would be 0 over here. This is 0th element. This first element, okay, this second element. It always starts from 0. Please keep it in mind. This is third element, and this fourth element. But if suppose I go from the other way around, okay, but if I go from other way around, here it would allow me to give the element something like this. Just a minute. Here it would be -1. Here it would be -2. Okay. Here it would be -3, because I'm starting from the right hand side, and always list read the elements from the left hand side. So it would be positive when you do it from the left hand side. Otherwise it would be if it is from right hand side, it would show you the elements with the negative. Fine. So yeah, obviously it would give you in this manner. But if I say here, then a of 0, it would give me the first element. But if I give here a of -1, it would give me the last element. Fine. Okay. Because I started from the right hand side. Okay. So I showed you this would be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. From left hand side it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So if I give here a -3, I'm sorry. Okay, -3, so -1, -2, -3. Fine. But if I give here a 2 to 4, I told you about the slice operator last time. So 2 to 4, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so it would be taking 2 and 3, but the last element it doesn't take. Okay, but if I say a of -5 to -2, okay, it will be -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. So -2. So from this element, it would leave the last element 1 bar new. Fine. So in this manner, it works with the list, and there are all the different features of the list. Obviously, the list part is not over here. We will be doing many more things. So I hope you can execute it, practice it. Let me know. Thank you. Stay tuned.